What's up, guys? What's Gucci? And today we are going to be doing another video. But first, I just heard a massive bang. So I don't know what to do right now. It's just,
guys, I turned into his cameraman, guys. So I will be behind the camera on all videos. So yeah.
I don't know what to do. I'm sugary. I know that, but you just heard.
He's sugary because he
Point out your face.
Yeah.
I'm just going to go upstairs. Point out your face.
No, I'm the cameraman. I can't just show it to my face. I have to come with you. Let's go. What the hell? The hell? The hell, guys?
The hell?
I'm putting in.
What the hell?
The hell, guys?
What the hell?
The hell? The hell? The hell?
What the heck?
The hell?
I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do.
Mbappe?
I think we should stop recording, like, it's so freaky. There's white things in there. What is that? Oh!
Guys, what is in there?
It's right there.
Right, guys, I'm going to turn the torch on. Lucas, I'm going to turn the torch on.
We're recording.
Oh, yeah.
Guys.
It's not focusing. Oh, it's not focusing for some reason. Oh, whoa, guys. I dropped the camera there.
Guys, I don't know what to do right now. Just... My head just... Someone... Guys, someone just pulled my head. Ah! That hurt, man. Oh. Guys. It's doing... Oh.
What the hell? Guys, I'm going to have to end the video. Ah!